Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see on Instagram how you can post collaboratively. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then go to the plus icon to post. And here let's say I'm gonna post this one. So tap on next. And in here, if you want to just add any song or if you want to add any filter, you can do it in here or in your text. And once you are done with it, tap on next. And here you will see an option of collaboration. So if you can't find it in here, let's go to tag people. So here go to invite collaborations and search for a user, like I'm searching for this person. So tap on the tick mark and here you can just add any caption or anything and then tap on share. Tap. And as you can see, my post is currently being shared. And once it is done, as you can see, there is an option or a tag that is showing that Hindujoy was invited to be a collaborator but hasn't yet accepted. So a notification to that specific person any that you have asked or invited for collab, I got a notification about it. So once they accept, the collaboration will be done. So yeah, this is how you can just post collaborative posts on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we will